Hello everyone, in this tutorial I want to show you how to add effects and features in Camtasia for multiple clips with just one click. At first, if you want to add some effects, for example the cursor effects, we go to present cursor effect and go to the desired effects and drag the effect and go to clips and drop it and the effect is added. Control Z. But if you have multiple clips like me, this is hard to do this action for all of the clips or for some selected clips. You can choose all of the clips or the desired clips that you want to add effects, and you can right click on the effect, add to the selected media, and now the effect is added. For example, I want to click left click, add to selected media, and now you can see that effect is added. And if I run this project, you can now see that the effect is added. If you like this video, please click the like button under the video.